Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And we recently purchased a small warehouse full of motorcycle parts. We believe this fork is for 84 GPZ 1100, also known as a ZX 1100. I have one of these bikes in the back and the forks measure the same. Everything looks the same as my 84. This may fit other stuff, I don't know. Everything seems to be pretty decent shape. Nothing's really gooned. The front fender, from sitting or whatever, looks like it's off a little. You might be able to warm that up a little bit and bend that back in. I've seen that done before. The front wheel's not bent. Tires looks like it's okay-ish. I don't think there's a whole lot of miles on this front end, but it is not the original front tire. The forks go up and down nice rebound. I've not really tried the brakes. They're not really working, but throttle housing looks pretty good. Still got a weight here on the end. That's pretty cool. So we're looking to get $350 for this. It'll be on our webpage, or would be interested in parting it out if someone just needed something special off it or something. Low cost of shipping available on request. And thanks for looking. Take care.